At the beginning of 2021, my life went under construction. I lost a lot. The greatest loss was my mom. My bestie for life, my person of 33 years, was gone. Before she died, there were two things that she wanted. One, to update some things around the house, which turned into a huge renovation project for me. She said she wanted me to have less things to worry about, but I also think she knew I'd need to keep busy after she was gone. Number two was a rose garden. She really wanted a rose garden. So I got to work on my grieving daughter homework assignments. It wasn't long before I realized Mommy had given me one final gift, a nudge in the right direction.
I got a lot of shit to do.
Several years before she passed, I practiced and taught yoga. While I continued to get a lot out of the practice, I found that I just wasn't connecting with it the way I had before my life fell apart. It was in spring of 2021 when I planted my first set of hyacinths and Mommy's first rose bush that I felt rooted and stable for the first time. In my garden, I found the deep healing and connection I need. Mommy's rose garden turned into a raised bed, which turned into the biggest vegetable garden I've ever had, which turned into an idea. A big, crazy, slightly scary idea to turn my childhood home into an urban homestead. A place where I can feed my family, heal in my mind, body, and spirit, and support my small startup business. And hopefully make my corner of the world a little less messy. I want to pour all the love that was poured into me by my ancestors back into the earth, my family, and my community. On this channel, we celebrate successes and failures because even when things don't go the way we hoped, Mother Nature shows us there's always blessings in the lesson.
Happy, y'all. They're so happy.
Sometimes we have to battle a few thorns and stings to gather our harvest. But with the right support, courage, more faith than reasoning, and a lot of love, we can do anything. So follow along where we eat, grow, play, and find wholeness in the land of rose and honey.